Install the triangular suspension bracket. Install the mounting plate. Install the crossbeam. Erect the front and rear columns. The mounting hole heights of the photoelectric brackets on the left and right columns are different, based on the vehicle entry direction. The left side should be lower and the right side higher. Inner width between the two columns, 3,450 mm. Inner length between the two columns, 7,300 mm. Diagonal distance between the two columns, 8,074 mm. Use a level to check whether the front and rear columns are vertical. After confirming there is no deviation, fasten the bolts. Drill bit diameter 14 mm, drilling depth 150 mm. Clean the dust inside the holes after drilling. Insert chemical anchor and tighten the bolts. Install the rail beams. Check whether both sides are at the same height. Distance between the rail beams, 3,092 mm. Assemble the middle column. Tighten the bolts. Install the ultrasonic sensor on the middle column.